Hello everyone. So in this video, we'll again discuss a very important question. So the question being, suppose x is a non-zero real number such that both x to the power 5 and 20 plus 19 by x are rational numbers. Prove that x is also a rational number. So this is basically an algebraic form of question. So we'll try to take a look at how we can go about solving this particular question. So let's start off. Let 20x plus 19 by x equal to r. Okay, so let's r say where r is an element of rational numbers. Okay, so this particular equation we can actually write it in this way as well. So 20x square plus 19 equal to rx. Okay, so subsequently we can again write it. So 20x square minus rx plus 19 equal to 0. So we basically formed a quadratic equation out of the following expression also, a following equation, linear equation. So having said that, let's continue, our discussion. So here let's try and find out the root of the same. So we know the formula of the roots equal to, just give me a second. For finding out roots, we have basically formulas r1 or r2 basically minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac by twice a. So we'll be using the same formula in finding out the root for the same. So here we have r plus minus root under b square, that is r square minus 4a is 20 and c is 19. So we have the following by 2 into 20 is 40. Okay, so here this entire number which we can actually simply classify this as, so this particular part we can actually classify this as simply we can write it in this form as well, plus minus r square minus 4 into 20 into 19 by 40 as well. So let me assume this one as r1 and this particular term say root r2. Okay, so with that said, we can actually write x equal to r1 plus minus r2. Okay, hopefully these things are clear. So here what you can say, x is basically element of real number. This should implies r2 is also real number which is greater than 0, because it has to be greater than 0 because it cannot be negative in general. Okay, so it has to be a positive number, and if r2 is 0 itself, r2 can be 0 itself, so it should be greater than equal to 0. Okay, r2, so basically 0 is positive number itself. Now having said all that, now what we have is that x to the power 5 equal to, so let me take the following roots only, r1 plus minus root under r2 to the power 5. Okay, so this can be further written as 50 r1 to the power 5 plus 52 r cube r1 cube r2 plus 4 r1 r2 square plus minus root 2 into 5 1 r1 to the power 4 plus 5 by 3 r1 square r2 and plus 5 5 r2 square. Okay, so this can be further written in this way. So here now, as q to the 5 is element of rational numbers and 5 r1 to the power 4 plus 10 r1 square r2 plus r2 square is not equal to 0, otherwise r1 equal to r2 equal to 0, which would further imply x equal to 0, so which is not possible. Okay, so therefore root r2, our assumption basically comes out to be wrong, and root r2 is an element of rational numbers. So therefore x is an element of rational number. So hence proved. Hence proved. Okay. So I hope all these things are clear to you, as in what are the approaches we have taken towards solving this sum, and how we have come about taking a particular assumption from initial value and then finding out the desired result that we wanted to basically prove in general. So with that said, we have come to the end of the video. Thank you so much.